Good morning. My name is Ana Cecilia Salgado Lopez. Hello, my name is Ana Cecilia Salgado Lopez. I am a student of Child Pedagogy and will answer some interesting questions there. What's your close friend? My friend is Joseph Bellojín. How did you meet? Meet him studying high school in San Marcos, Sucre. Who were your friends you were growing up? My friends in childhood and adolescence were Alexandra, Gina, Jorge, Norberto, Fernando Luis, Arcelio, James, Bernardo, Liliana, Janet. Do you have friends that have exciting life? The fact that I have friends I like and here already makes it exciting fun the fact that I have. How many friends do you have on social networking? I consider me a very friendly person. They are 700. Thanks.